Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Bluetooth on off button is missing in Windows 10. So basically today we will fix the Bluetooth on and off button missing in your Windows or laptop error. So the first step is to go to device manager. Type in Windows search bar device manager, click and open it. Now from here, if your Bluetooth or any other device is hidden, you can make it show. Tap on view, tap on show hidden items, and you can view from here. You can view hidden items from here. If still your Bluetooth is not showing here, what you can do, you can go to services, click on run as administrator. Now in services, search for Bluetooth support service, click and open it. And from here, if it is set on manual, click on it at automatic, click on apply, click on OK, and you can also restart this service if you want to. So after doing this, go and check if the Bluetooth button is showing or not. If still it is not showing, follow the second step to fix it. So if you still don't get the Bluetooth on and off button, this time we have to add a hardware. To do this, go to device manager, click and open it. Now click anywhere and tap on action. Now tap on scan for hardware changes. Now if still it is not showing the Bluetooth option, click on action again and this time click on add legacy hardware. And after this add wizard hardware wizard is open, click on next. Now this time click on install the hardware that I manually selected from a list. Click on next again. From here select network adapters. Click on next again. Now from here you have to search for Bluetooth. Search it in your Microsoft. And from here search for Bluetooth. So basically you will find the Bluetooth option from here. If you find the Bluetooth option from any of these, just simply click on next and add that hardware. So that's it. These are the fixes which you can try. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.